Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to address an issue that many drivers face, the clogged air filter light. If you've seen this light pop up on your dashboard and you're wondering what it means and how to fix it, we'll walk you through everything you need to know. So, what exactly is the clogged air filter light? Well, this light is usually part of your car's maintenance system, and it indicates that the air filter is either dirty or clogged. The air filter is crucial because it keeps dirt, debris, and contaminants out of your engine, ensuring that only clean air enters for combustion. Why does this matter? A clogged air filter can reduce your engine's efficiency, lower fuel economy, and cause poor acceleration. It might also trigger other issues like rough idling or increased exhaust emissions. So, ignoring the light could lead to bigger problems down the road. How to check and replace the air filter? To fix this issue, let's start by checking the air filter. The process is simple and can usually be done in just a few minutes. First, locate the air filter box. It's typically near the engine, with a large plastic cover. Carefully remove the cover and take out the filter. If the filter looks dirty, clogged, or damaged, it's time to replace it. You can find replacement filters at most auto parts stores or order one online. Resetting the light. After replacing the air filter, you'll want to reset the clogged air filter light. In many cars, this can be done with an OBD2 scanner. Simply plug it in, clear the codes, and the light should turn off. If you don't have a scanner, consult your vehicle's manual for instructions on how to reset it manually. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips. Check your air filter regularly, especially if you drive in dusty or high-pollution areas. Don't forget to replace it during routine maintenance intervals to keep your engine running smoothly. If you notice any performance issues after replacing the air filter, it could be a sign of a deeper issue, so don't hesitate to get a professional inspection. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond.